Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, June 23rd. I'm going to continue reading from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and then we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it, as always. Today's essay is titled Stems and Roots. The love we show saves the love we hide, the way a sprig in sun feeds its unseen root. Even though I believe in living in the open, parts of me hide. I can't help it, but what I can help is which parts of me, the open or the hidden, run my life. What I can rely on is this inexplicable knowing that when I am in the open, life nourishes even those parts so sorely hidden. Just as green stems in spring stay connected to their darker roots, just as the roots grow when the stems do, my compassion soothes my fear where I cannot see. Unknown to me, my love feeds the underside of my confusion. The light I take in keeps the roots of my soul alive. We become so preoccupied with what we're not able to address, what we're not able to mend, what we're not able to leave behind, that we forget that whatever we are in the light of day is slowly but surely healing the rest of us. Now take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that in this moment there is nothing you need to fix. This breath is enough. You are enough. This moment is enough. See if that helps you connect with a sense of spaciousness in your whole being. Allowing the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring to mind one thing you feel incapable of solving in your personality. What is it? How does it feel to connect with it right now? Are you judging yourself for this? Are you trying to push it away? Are you trying to hide it? See if instead you can surround it with your breath, your nice and soft and natural breath. And see if you can accept that this thing will be with you for a while. How does that feel? And now put this thought down, let it be, and focus on the part of you that happens without any work. Any trait, any quality that comes easy to you, that you enjoy, that you love about yourself. Now inhale strongly with this part of your being that happens easily, and know that its native strength is softening whatever you cannot solve. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now gently let go of your practice and, as usual, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. As Mark Nepo says, unknown to me, my love feeds the underside of my confusion. The light I take in keeps the roots of my soul alive. So, throughout the day, see if you connect with those parts of you that happen easily, without any work, and know that their native strength is softening whatever you cannot solve. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.